Welcome to GRTV. Now we can discuss about this helicopter type of vertical method of windmill. Because helicopter we have vertical propeller or vertical rotor will be there. So with the four wings it will fly in the air. See this helicopter type of propeller, because the wings will directed towards earth. So this vertical propeller will push the air towards earth, and it will fly. It will fly in the air. This is a vertical method of this helicopter type of windmill, and with minimal wind flow, it is rotating. Means friction free rotor and friction free vertical axle. Vertical axle will rotate the wings, because these four wings and this round lid weight approximately 300 to 400 grams. Even though with minimal wind flow, the propeller is rotating very easily without any friction, and even in atmospheric minimal wind flow, it will rotate so nicely. This we can apply to convert into mechanical energy by replacing all this PP polypropylene material into metallic form, maybe in a zinc sheet or aluminum indalium sheet. We can and this vertical rod we can replace it into iron, so that the vertical axle will rotate very freely, and at the tip of this vertical axle we can fix this gear system, so that we can convert this minimal wind flow into maximum mechanical energy, and we can crush. We can do it powdery form food materials, and we can use it as a pulverizer, and we can use it as a husk removing mechanical device, and we can use it as crushing biodegradable products into compost. Like that, we have to utilize our natural resources, main the sunlight, wind flow, and air, water, and the earth derivatives, and green vegetation, and the fire, so that the energy will be incredible. See, this helicopter type of windmill is very effectively rotating like a rotor, and vertical propeller type of rotation with minimal wind flow. So this is very viable and very effective, and we can apply this theory into conversion of mechanical energy rather than this dynamo. Even we can produce electricity by replacing all this polypropylene material into metallic form, maybe zinc sheets or indalium or aluminium, and we can replace it, and we can at the end of this vertical rotor or vertical propeller, we can keep this gear system, and to the gear system we can give belt to dynamo, so that with minimal wind flow also we can retrieve more energy. Recycling of electricity has to be done, because nowadays the population has been increased day by day, and the basic necessity is power, because the industries will run by electricity. So maybe wind generated electricity, or hydro generated electricity, or solar power generated electricity, or coal, firing of coal, hydrothermal power, coal-based electricity, because we can easily retrieve more of electricity from solar power and this windmills, because solar power almost the rainy season will be very lagging, and global warming is increasing. So to minimize global warming, we have to encourage solar powers, because the atmosphere, the solar panels will absorb more of heat liberating from the sunlight, and the global warming we can minimize by putting solar panels, so that it will absorb atmospheric heat, and it will absorb so much of heat from sunlight, and the sun power will be converted into electrical power, so that all the industries can run by this electrical power. The government itself can acquire 100 acres of land, and government can supply with minimal rate to below the poverty line, to encourage small scale industries by putting solar panels in thousands of acres in government land, and below the solar panels we can cultivate the shaded plants also. So dual purpose, even the cultivation has to be continued, and the solar power should be converted into electrical power by keeping higher level of solar panel fixing boards, and we can cultivate below the earth, or we can fix on seas also, open sea, because so much of exposure, because the water is 75% place has been occupied on the earth. Only 25% will be the land. So we can utilize the sea surface for putting solar panels at sea coastal belt, and we can retrieve more of electrical energy by keeping solar panels on the surface of sea, so that we can minimize global warming by minimizing this evaporation of this sea water and become a cloud formation. So much of heat liberation at the sea coastal belt we can reduce by keeping solar panels on the sea, and we can retrieve more of electrical energy by keeping solar panels on floating method on the sea surface. So this is the latest technology, this is vertical base propeller type, vertical propeller type helicopter type of windmill, and it is very viable, and definitely this will be more success, and we can retrieve this wind energy into mechanical energy, and we can convert this windmill power into electrical power also. So this is the latest technology, because the wings should be actually flat, but these wings are inclined towards earth. So this is very latest design in vertical method of windmill. This is a helicopter propeller type of technology introduced by JR Organics by Dr. J. Ramarao. We can replace it in a metallic form, and we can liberate mechanical power and this electrical power too. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching JRTV, and please subscribe JRTV channel, and please share it in your family, friends, and in your friend circle too, and please comment about the videos which we uploaded. So your comments are our stimulations and activations and incredible energy for our channel. Thank you so much for watching JRTV. Please subscribe and share it in your big friend circle. Thank you so much for watching JRTV. Thank you.